Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. My name is Faith Gumisiriza, your host. In this quick learning session, we will dive into an exciting journey of finding the center of gravity of objects. The center of gravity is an imaginary point on a body where its weight seems to act. If you were to balance an object on a pivot, the exact spot where it would stay balanced is the center of gravity. To appreciate this concept, let's do this activity together. Get a pen, place it on your fingertip, and adjust this pen until it balances. Mark that spot where it has balanced, and that is its center of gravity. Different objects have their centers of gravity at different positions depending on their shape and mass distribution. Objects with even mass distribution, that is uniform shape and density, have their center of gravity at their geometric center. For example, a rectangle has its center of gravity at the point of intersection of its lines of symmetry. At the point of intersection of these two lines is where our center of gravity is. Let's balance it there. For a triangle, its center of gravity is at its centroid. Let's balance it. And for a uniform rod, its center of gravity is located at its midpoint. However, if the mass is unevenly distributed like for irregular objects, the center of gravity shifts to the area with a greater mass. So, to determine the center of gravity of this irregular object, we will do an experiment. And in this experiment, you will need a retort stand with a clamp, a plumb line, a pin, an irregular object, a ruler, a pen, and a pencil. Now that we have all our materials, let's make 3 holes on the edges of this irregular object. Clamp the pin on the retort stand and hang the object through one of the holes. Suspend the plumb line from the pin and let the object settle. Now that our plumb line has settled, let's mark 2 points on the object along the plumb line. We are now going to repeat the process for the other 2 holes. The point of intersection of these 3 lines will be the center of gravity for this object. To prove that, let's balance it using a pencil at the point of intersection. See? It balances. And outside the point of intersection, it will not balance. The distribution of mass in an object plays a crucial role in determining the position of its center of gravity, which in turn determines its stability. Objects with a lower center of gravity are more stable, and objects with a higher center of gravity are less stable. Understanding this concept is very fundamental, as it is widely applied in the manufacturing of goods and in the design of stable, safer, and more efficient systems, from transportation and construction to sports and everyday activities. In transportation, cars and buses are designed to have a low center of gravity by placing the engine very low in the car. Also, racing cars are designed to have a wide base and low height to improve on stability and reduce the risk of rolling over. In sports, gymnasts and surfers adjust their center of gravity to maintain balance while keeping us entertained. In construction, engineers make wide, strong bases for buildings and bridges, making their center of gravity low, thus more stable to withstand external forces like wind and earthquakes. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And for any thoughts, drop them in the comment section. Bye.